Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lecture we are going to study the topic quadratic equations for the aptitude section of the SBI PO exam. We'll study this through some examples. So we will be given some equation like this to solve. Like this is a quadratic equation. We have to use three coefficients, that is the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x and the constant number to solve this equation. We have to find two numbers such that their sum is equal to the coefficient of x, that is a plus b equal to minus 11. And the product of those two numbers should be the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant term, that is 6 into 4, that is 24. So the two numbers such that are like a is equal to minus 8 and b equal to minus 3. So we have to split the middle term, that is minus 11x is to be written as minus 8x minus 3x, and then we can solve to get the value of x. So this is the technique used to solve the quadratic equations. So let's see another example. Here the coefficient of x is 10. So we have to find two numbers such that their sum is 10 and the product is 7 into 3, that is 21, and two such numbers are 7 and 3. So we split the middle term accordingly. A similar example we can see here. So here we have to find two numbers such that their sum is minus 23, that is the coefficient of y, and their product is 30 into 3, that is 90. And two such numbers are minus 18 and minus 5. So we split the middle term minus 23y as minus 18y minus 5y and solve further to get the values of y. Let's see the last example. Here the coefficient of y is 11. So we have to find two numbers such that their sum is 11 and the product is 2 into 14, that is 28. And two such numbers are 7 and 4. So we can split the middle term accordingly. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos on aptitude of SBI PO exam. Thank you so much.